Here. So today I am coming to you guys with a different type of video. Okay, so today I am doing a seafood boil. So I went to the grocery store and I was able to pick up some things. So the first thing that I got is this. I got some potatoes. I got some onions, and I always use the red onions. I got some corn for the boil. I got some crab. I got some king crab, and guys, I had no idea how expensive this stuff was. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have our season, and I have the lemon pepper, oregano, ginger, cajun. I have my Old Bay season, and I got the original. I saw the lemon and herb, which I would usually prefer, but I just got this one. I have my garlic. I have my black pepper blend. I have my paprika, crushed chili, minced garlic. Over here I have my potatoes and corn. I've washed it off. So I have my sausage. Over here I have my onions. I have cut this, and this is gonna be for the seafood sauce. And then I have my how does this work? I'm so irritated, bruh. I got the patience for all of this. Okay, this shit better act right. So I have my seafood, and as you guys can see, I have my shrimp. I'm so excited. I got the giant shrimp, and I got the king crab. Guys, I got 3 of this crab for $15. I had no clue that crab was expensive, and because it's just me, I don't need a lot. So this is pretty much all I'm gonna use for my seafood boil. My sausage, my spices and everything. All right, so let's get started. Guys, so to get started, I'm pouring my beef broth into my boiling water. That was all I could find around the house. So I'm adding some butter. To be honest with you guys, I did not cook this with measurements, so just estimate and just work with you know, how much food you're making. So I'm taking my Old Bay season, and I think this is about 2 tablespoons of seasoning. I'm gonna add that to the water and stir it. I'm gonna add my minced garlic, and I'm adding about 3 tablespoons to the water. And then I'm gonna take my ginger, and I'm adding just a little bit, like half a tablespoon, because the ginger taste is very prominent. So I'm gonna add some lemons. I added about 2 lemons to the water. And by the way, this recipe is from is it B Loves? Yeah, B Loves recipe. So I'm adding my Cajun seasoning. I'm adding my lemon pepper also to the water. And then I'm adding my potatoes. Then I'm gonna take my paprika, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of that to the water. And then I'm taking this pepper, and it is Nigerian pepper. It is very spicy. And then I'm taking crawfish. So if you're Nigerian, you know what that is. So I'm gonna let that simmer and boil together. Then I'm gonna take my sausage, and I'm going to just fry it a little bit. What do you call it? Saute? I don't know. Fry the sausage a little bit, and then I add my corn and add my crab and my shrimp. These things are the last things that I added because they take the shortest to cook, so you want to add that last. I also took some shrimp and peeled it, and then I just like stir fried the shrimp a little bit. So that is it here, guys. So what I did in this video is I showed you 2 methods of eating this. So if you want to do like a seafood boil in a bag, you can just add, like, get a bag
and then add like the potatoes and the crab and the seafood and everything, the sausage, like I'm doing in this video. And then you just pour the sauce in the bag. Some people actually just like have it raw and just cook it like that. They don't like cook it like separately. They just put everything in the bag and then cook it that way. But you can do whatever works for you. This is what worked for me. So you can do it this way. So this is like the seafood boil when you go to a restaurant, or you could just have it this way. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.